Hello, my name is Ibarshan Girulion, fourth year BSAMT student from University of Perpetual Health. So today I will discuss about car motion analysis. So I choose problem number 1. In problem number 1, the car in fig 12 to 2 moved in a straight line such as that for a short time. Its velocity is defined by b equals 3t squared plus 2t feet per second, where t is in seconds. Determine its position and acceleration when t equals 3 seconds, when t equals 0, and s equals 0. The velocity of the car is given as b equals 3t squared plus 2t feet per seconds. Now, we need to find two things: the position of the car and the acceleration of the car. Position and acceleration. When t equals to 3, when t equals to 0, and s equals to 0. Since the velocity is the rate of change of the position, we need to use the formula b equals ds over dt, and the equation of velocity is 3t squared plus 2t. Now we need to find the position and integrate the velocity of equation. Integrate S0 ds equals to integral of TO times 3t squared plus 2t dt. Now derive the formula. S ln S0 equals to t cubed plus t squared in line t0. Now, when t is equals to 3 seconds, we can substitute into the equation. S equals 3 cubed plus 3 squared is equals to 36 feet. So the final answer of the position of the car is 36 feet. Now we need to find the acceleration of the car. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. We need to find the formula of equation dv over dt equals to d over dt times 3t squared plus 2t. The equation of velocity is equals to 2t plus 2. When t is equal to 3 seconds, substitute the equation A is equal to 6 times 3 plus 2 equals 20 feet per second squared. So the final answer is 20 feet per second squared. Note the formula for constant acceleration cannot be used to solve the problem because the acceleration is not function of the time. So that's all. Thank you.